Hello everyone! Today we are going to do an experiment to see whether air has weight or not. Here's what you need.
Firstly, tie the string in the middle of the straw. Secondly, blow the balloons before tying each balloon to the end of the straws. Thirdly, hold the string that you tied to the middle of the straw to make it equal in weight. Lastly, use a pin to burst the balloon. Look! Can you see that the remaining balloon went down? This is because the balloon which is still intact is filled with air and is therefore heavier than the balloon which has burst. This causes the stick to tilt to the side where there is an intact balloon.
Our experiment today shows that air has weight. Thank you and bye!